Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how we heat our building.
This is our outside wood water boiler. Heats the water that runs through tubes in the floor, concrete floor in the garage. Got a fan on it. We can burn any kind of wood. Wet, dead. This is our plumbing system. It plumbs the water from the outside wood furnace inside and then circulates it through the floor. There are two smart pumps on this that use very little electricity, usually around 7 or 8 watts. One pumps the water from the stove into the building and the other pumps it from there through the floor and then back again. We picked this unit up used for a very good price. We can burn wet wood in it, so we've been clearing the bush of trees that are leaning or about to fall over.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.